Hello everyone. In this video, we will review some of Pandas functionality for dealing with missing data. We first load the libraries, then we create a string IO buffer, and then we load it as a Pandas data frame using the read underscore table method. Our data frame now has three columns: name, age, and color. As we can see, there is one missing value in the age column and one missing value in color column. Now, there can be many reasons for the missing values, and it is important to determine which data is missing and why it is missing so that we could effectively deal with missing data. The missing values can be because of user error, that is, a user failed to enter data, or it could be because of a programming error. For example, some logic dropped the data. It could also be because of a broken sync when integrating data systems, and it could also be due to hardware issues. For example, the storage device was running out of space. And it could also be because of measurement error. To effectively deal with missing data, it is therefore useful to determine which data is missing and why it is missing. Let's see how we can find missing data in our data frame. We can use the isNull method to get Boolean values for the data frame. It shows us which value is missing. We can then chain any method after the isNull method to see if there is any missing value in any column. For example, here we see that the age and the color columns both have missing data. A convenient strategy can be to drop the rows with missing data, and we can use the drop_NA method for that. However, it is not the best strategy, and sometimes we only want to focus on certain columns or rows. For example, here we can apply the filter based on finite values in the age column. We can also create masks based on multiple columns. Sometimes we want to fill these missing values and not drop those. Here we will not cover the strategies of filling these missing values, but only discuss some of the Pandas methods that help us fill these missing values. We have our data frame, and we can use the fill_NA method to fill all the missing values with a constant value. Or we can pass a dictionary to fill values in the specific columns. We can pass the ffill method in fill_NA method to fill the missing value with the preceding value. However, we can see that specifying method in fill_NA is deprecated, and it is recommended to use the ffill method or bfill methods instead. For example, here we use the bfill method. We can also use the interpolate method, but this method will not work on object type columns. And we can also use the replace method to fill the missing values. In the next video, we will cover joins. Please keep watching and see you all in the next video. Thank you.